Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will make the Indian Kali Dal recipe for the dinner. We need mix of these three lentils. First we have Kali Dal which is Mahdi Dal, then we have Yellow Dal which is Sholyani Dal, then we have Rajma which is kidney beans. I will use half cup of Kali Dal and quarter cup of Yellow Dal, quarter cup of kidney beans. Add these lentils into the bowl. Soak this lentil into the water for 8 hours or overnight. I use the tap water to soak my lentils. After soaking for 8 hours, I have washed my lentils for like 5 to 6 times. Wash them until the water is clear. And to cook these lentils, we will use 2 cups of water. Now add the lentils into the pressure cooker and season with some salt. We are cooking lentils on high for 30 minutes. While the lentils are cooking, we will prepare our masala. We will need 2 small tomatoes, some ginger paste, 5 cloves of garlic, 1 big chopped onion, some green chili, and for the spices, we will use turmeric, coriander powder, cumin seeds, garam masala, red chili powder, and salt according to your taste. In a hot pan, add some oil. In Indian cooking, we use lots of oil. It enhances the flavors of the spices and herbs used in Indian cuisine. Add pinch of cumin seeds, garlic, and chili into the hot pan. Cook for a couple of minutes and then add your onion. We will cook the onions until they are translucent. Our onions are cooked. Now we will add the tomatoes. We need to cook the tomatoes on medium to high heat for 8 to 10 minutes. Or in Indian way, you keep cooking the tomatoes until they are very shiny or they start to leave the oil. We will add 1 spoon of ginger now as well. I did not add ginger earlier because ginger starts to stick on the base of the pan. The tomatoes are cooked now, so we will add our spices. Add 1 spoon of turmeric, some coriander powder, some garam masala, and a pinch of red chili, salt according to your taste. We need to roast these spices for a few minutes and keep stirring. If they start sticking to the base of the pan, you can add some water. Now that it's ready, we will move it to the side and we will check our lentils. Let all the steam out and be patient. Our lentils are cooked and they are nice and soft. We can mash some of the lentils now to make the consistency a bit thicker. Now mix these lentils into the masala mix we made earlier. Mix it really well. Cover it with the lid and cook on low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Our dal is ready. Enjoy it with roti or rice. Please hit like and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you for watching.